Well, hello. Welcome to 119 West 71st Street, apartment 7D. I'm Mike Lubin from Brown Harris Stevens. I'm so pleased to welcome you to a tour of this beautiful home. 119 West 71st Street is an impeccably maintained 1916 New York Cooperative with a resident manager, full-time porter, state-of-the-art fitness center, garden courtyard, bike and personal storage, and central laundry room. The newly renovated kitchen is graced with beautiful natural light thanks to its sunny southern exposure. Timeless classic New York City subway tiles. Deep porcelain farmhouse sink with an ever-handy incinerator. The kitchen and living room were ingeniously redesigned for open flow living. This home has a living room to love with soaring ceilings, custom cabinetry, perfect spot to lounge, entertain, or kick back with a good book. The tranquil primary bedroom has ample space for a king-size bed and 2 large custom closets. Shareable second bedroom, and a newly renovated windowed bathroom with porcelain tub, classic subway tiles, and herringbone marble floors. Thanks for visiting 119 West 71st Street, apartment 7D. I'm Mike Lubin, and we hope to see you soon.